If you love salads and fresh juices, lalo na yung mga zero sugar added, eto yung magandang option for you. This restaurant in Angeles City will prove to us that healthy food doesn't have to be boring. So today, samahan niyo ko at pupunta tayo dito sa The Juice Guy. Located right in front of Carmelite Monastery, open Mondays to Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Meron silang limited parking, and kung dati mostly available sila for online orders and delivery apps, ngayon pwede ka na ring mag-dine in. At dahil nga very healthy and fresh ang lahat ng nasa menu nila, marami silang natutulungan ng mga taong may restrictive diet due to medical reasons, at yung iba naman according to personal preference na. Ito ang mga order natin, and just look at how vibrant that is. Bago sa menu nila itong veggie rolls. It comes in 2 variants, tapos ang sarap nitong dipping sauce niya. It's nutty with a touch of sweetness. You can order it in 8 pieces, 12 pieces, or isang party tray na 32 pieces. It's a super fun snack na pwede for sharing, or you can enjoy it by yourself. Meron din tayong salad wraps, and we ordered yung cheesy beef and yung cheesy roasted chicken. Pwede ka rin naman mag-order ng vegetables lang. Dalawang sauce yung gamit nila, yung cheese and yung garlic, so hindi ka tipid sa lasa. Sa drinks naman, apart from their cold pressed juices, meron din itong lemonade in 4 flavors. Meron cucumber, berry, apple, at yung pinakabagong flavor ay mango. Very refreshing talaga, and zero guilt kasi ang gamit nila dito ay raw honey. After that, dito naman tayo sa mga salad bowl. This first one is a creamy Caesar salad. That dressing is so good. Tama lang yung pagkaka-season at hindi umay. Tapos eto naman yung roasted chicken salad. Meron din siyang nuts, vegetables, corn, and eggs, so talagang complete meal sila. Eto naman yung pinaka-vibrant, yung purple gourmet. Kung mas type mo yung vinaigrette lang at hindi creamy yung sauce, eto yung perfect for you. Pero regardless naman kung anong variant yung piliin mo, you're guaranteed that they're using only the freshest ingredients. If you want a little bit of crunch naman, meron din tayo nitong nacho salad, and also comes with cheesy and garlicky sauce. Syempre, if you cannot dine in and you're on the go, pwede mo pa rin itong orderin in a tub. Eto yung mango canny salad, tapos pwede mo rin yung orderin in a cup. Very handy, madaling baunin sa biyahe, sa trabaho, or kahit sa sine. Para may healthier baon ideas naman tayo at hindi lang puro highly processed foods, diba? Bago rin sa menu itong granola, and it comes in 3 flavors. Merong matcha, trail mix, at tropical. Pwede na siya as a snack on its own, or you can put it on top of yogurt or a fruit bowl. Sa mga cold pressed juices, we're having their best sellers. Yung isa helps boost the immune system, yung isa naman aids in weight loss, and the other one is for glowing skin. Depende kung ano yung mas gusto mong i-target, you can also buy these in bundles, at meron din silang mga meal plan. I'll be flashing their menu, pero feel free to message them for your inquiries.